So Sam is working on
hydraulic remotes, couplers.
For the big blue tractor, because the ones that we have currently leak and ooze hydraulic oil all over the place, and the front end loader loses pressure. That's all I got. You got to tell the rest.
The curl function bleeds down quite quickly from all the internal leakage and some external leakage.
And the curl function, so even when you're not using the front end loader, like when you're just driving around baling or whatever, it's what?
Trying to fall on the ground. Which is not handy.
No. So curl is the tilt of the forks, right? Not the height of the loader. But so it's trying to tilt whatever's on there down so that stabs into the ground. Okay, that would be annoying.
Or the bucket would catch if we put it on.
Oh, okay.
I was thinking worst case, I just pull the forks off and they can dangle.
Yeah.
But it would be worthless to help load.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't even think about that. So trying to put hay on, get hay out of the field or load trailers, it's a constant battle of...
Well, when you're just leaking oil everywhere.
Yeah, that too. So that's got to be good for the environment.
We just sprinkle it.
We're just giving it back to nature where it came from. Where it don't have any more dinosaurs.
We should be cracking that over a table, Brandy.
You should be cracking that over a table.
Okay. Nice bright shop. Hey, not to destroy these, but we should get new ones one day.
Not if I have to drive to Caldwell when there's traffic. Construction.
What magic just stuck those in there? Wipe its nose. People with nice shirt clip pliers would wonder why I was using a screwdriver. Silly people.
Use what you got. Ooh! That's down there now.
At least it didn't launch it where we can't find it.
That is true.
And then we look smart because we did one. Well, as long as it works, we look smart. Make sure you can get to that hole to fish the spring around. Then it'd look really dumb. Why is that one so smooth?
Magic.
It's awfully loose. I wonder if those little plastic guys are more worn on this one.
Oh, do we have new ones to replace them?
Nope.
Is that the thing I forgot to get yesterday?
No, it's those. So they gave us those, which is what I asked for, but it looks like we need not those.
Not those?
So the diagram was either different or wrong. check for that when we go put it back on. Both of them have stuck to that, and like a idiot, I trust that it's gonna stay.
Okay.
That would make me sad.
It looks clean.
Yeah. It's like binoculars.
It is like binoculars.
But don't work right. Always stick your finger into
I was gonna say.
a clean bucket. Well,
And then leave the top off of it, so.
hopefully you don't get enough when you go back to get more.
Right, because all the birds flying around in here are gonna know to stay away from it.
Oh, freaked me out. In case that wasn't obvious. Like, how do I pick which one to replace? It just happened. I'm sure I'm not putting the old one back in. Yeah, it's really tight. Those first ones felt a little bit more snug.
Yeah. Where is this, the location of this in the tractor? Is it the top one?
The second from the bottom.
And it controls the curl.
No, the bottom one I think was the curl. It's just, so these two control the front end loader, but
That's the dirty one, here's the clean one.
We bought 4 fittings.
Yes.
So either we would, if the bottom one ended up helping and working, to replace these, we'd have to pull the bottom one off again
Got
to
it,
get to
that's
it. Because
right.
there's O-rings between all of it, and we couldn't slide it out without making a big mess.
I knew there was a reason we were doing all 4, I just couldn't remember.
Yeah, you know.
Now I remember. I'll probably forget again in some number of minutes. But now I have the video to go back and refer to.
Why did we do that?
Really, that's kind of a genius idea. Just film everything you do all day, every day, and then when you forget, just go back and watch your video.
You missed me taking a picture of the springs so that I knew which groove.
That's awesome.
Somebody on the New Holland Facebook group was commenting that which groove it goes in case anybody else had trouble. Because I guess he wasn't sure the first time he did it. Oh, that's easy compared to that one with the nozzle. The drain nozzle. The drain nozzle when I thought I was hosed. I don't know why. Some OCD or something. All the ones I took apart were flat on the top. Oh no.
Did you see the Franklin Building Supply sign the other day that said that he had CDO? It's like OCD, but the letters are in alphabetical order.
Sounds better. That's awesome. I use clean dirty.
I got clean, clean.
Yeah, there's stages.
Oh, okay.
It's funny because in like 5 minutes they'll covered in dust and dirt and stuff.
But they're not going to start out that way. For those 5 minutes, they're going to be immaculate.
Good word usage.
I don't think it's how it's meant to be used anymore, though.
You start using cool kid words now?
Yeah, but in the wrong way. So Ashley will be watching this video wondering why we're going to eat this.
Safety squints.
Okay, I'll just hold the camera over here and get out of the way.
Oh, I went past. There you go.
Nice. That's a happy sound.
Mm-hmm. Push a little, make sure it's seated. It wouldn't be a happy sound when you're squirting hydraulic fluid everywhere when your
Yeah,
remotes come out.
true.
I don't know why in my head it seemed like going back the way they came out would be better. Wasn't a happy snap, but it's in.
Okay. That was a happy snap.
I think it's just a screwdriver.
Oh, okay. Screwdriver snap.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty.
He's in there.
Clean and shiny.
He's in there. So I think we try to put it on without screwing up a whole pile of O-rings.
Okay.
Oh, clean that a little bit.
Oh, I guess I should be filming what you're doing instead of just the part sitting on the bench.
You can see it with my eyes.
Why can't you follow me? This is missing some parts that should look like that. So we're replacing these down here, and then there's all of that. Baler comes with a towel holder. I'm sure that's what they intended when they made it.
Wish I'd have done this when I had it all off. That would have been way easier.
Yeah. When you replaced the...
All the seals and the valves.
Mm.
I guess mostly just the shuttle valves, but knocking O-rings off.
Uh-oh. Oh, and then you have to check that something's still stuck on something somewhere.
Yeah, they made it down here at least, so that's good. But we'll check before I stick them
cover thing is kind of in my way.
This one?
Yeah.
There you go.
It's all about me. Thank you.
Nah, it was gonna be annoying in the way anyway. See if we got new ones that we could keep them clean and.
Mm-hmm.
Which you'd think we don't close them, but we had them all hooked up just a second ago. So.
Mm-hmm. The red tractor doesn't have any, does it?
No. Not that it matters,
Oh, it matters.
but I think these were the top one. They need to be clean, so I set them in dirt.
I can see that. I was just looking down here. There's like black ones and green ones and tubey looking screw things, and they're all in this dirt and alfalfa.
They fell out
Oh.
when I took them off. This is going to be the fun part, is trying to keep all these in place while we
Yeah.
put it together. Those should stay, I think. Maybe they'll all stay in their little recesses.
Yeah.
We'll see. Luckily, he has gravity on his side.
Oh, he gets to stay on the top?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Other side.
don't just stack them.
I don't know. Maybe.
These are the most pitiful little tiny things. Probably not soundproof.
Hang in there, buddy.
Mm-hmm. Wait till you see one of these is super squashed.
Like this one right here, I feel like.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like something chewed him up.
It's just case drain when the couplers leak, so shouldn't have any pressure, and worst case it leaks like
Yeah.
like it leaks. And they don't really fit in their little holes anymore.
They don't seem to.
Okay. So, gravity keeps those in until I tip it too much. So if we squish the back on, once it's close, what are the odds of this not leaking?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like super slim. Be funny if we didn't have to use it in a little bit.
Yeah.
Wonder if I should actually look up torque specs and stuff.
Just make the ch-ch noise. Maybe I'll be fine.
If it were Allen heads that I'm using a torque wrench, I'd feel better about it.
Do you have it?
I guess, let's see if I have a Allen.
And then how are you going to measure the torque? Because you don't have an
Hmm.
Allen
Ooh, look at that.
torque wrench. Or you just tighten them as tight as they'll go?
Oh no. Well, maybe. It was magical trying to get them all to line up.
Mm.
Not magical, obviously, but it was tricky.
So what are the top four for?
Other things besides the loader?
So like the baler?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, which uses both. That's the crappy thing is some things could need all four, but and most loaders don't need to be hooked up back here, but our crappy one does.
Did we get it in an auction?
We did. Weird, huh?
Yep.
We tried to buy it with.
I know, I remember that.
That's what makes it funny. I wonder. I guess we'll see in a minute. Boy, those
They're snapping in good.
far more positive than they used to be.
And if you want to wait, I'll walk all the way around and get one.
Probably should have put 4 in first.
If you need to, you can just take that other one out, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not a one-way trip.
Hope not. Be the first time anything has come out of them. It's time to see what kind of mess we made.
Okay. Everything seems to be working great, so no leaks, which is awesome. Thanks for watching.